Welcome to JH. Have you been haunted by ads for Butik Olsen.dk lately? It's an online shop promising high fashion, watches, and accessories at a staggering 80% discount. It sounds like a dream, but unless your dream involves donating your hard-earned cash to a digital void, you might want to hold your horses. They boast over 10,000 satisfied customers, which is a lovely sentiment, except for the fact that Trustpilot is currently a graveyard of scam reports. Between missing orders, damaged goods, and a support team that's about as responsive as a brick wall, people are literally calling the police to get their money back. Apparently, satisfied is a very flexible term in their dictionary. The red flags only get weirder from here. The site claims to have over a decade of experience, yet the domain was registered in July 2025. I didn't realize we were shopping in the future, but I suppose time travel is the only way to explain that level of credibility. Then there's the heartwarming story of the founders, Frida and William Olsen. It's a shame they don't actually exist, as their photos are clearly AI-generated. Nothing screams trustworthy family brand, like a sibling duo created by an algorithm in a basement. I guess real humans were just too expensive for their budget. To top it all off, the product photos are lazily copied from across the internet, and those massive discounts are basically a neon sign screaming for you to run away. When you combine stolen images with fake founders and a history that hasn't even happened yet, the math just doesn't add up. It is safe to say this store is a total bust and should be avoided at all costs if you enjoy keeping your money. Save your sanity and shop somewhere that actually exists in this dimension. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.